नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का वारकू शो के स्कूल बैग सीरीज़ के इस एपिसोड में स्वागत है। द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स मिस्टर ट्रंप, एज एन यंग इंडियन आई हैव अ मैसेज फॉर यू। India is the most populous nation in the world, 1.44 billion people in 2024, with 67% of its population under 35 and unmatched youth demographic advantage. India's GDP grew at 8.2% in the financial year 2023 to 24. The IMF and the World Bank estimate that India will be the third largest economy by the 2027, overtaking Japan and Germany. In 2024, India held the largest democratic elections with over 960 million registered voters. This figure is more than the populations of Europe and US combined. With over 800 million internet users, India hosts 115 plus unicorns, and its digital payment system UPI is processing 15 billion transactions per month, the highest globally. India was the first nation to land on the moon's south pole Chandrayaan 3 and launched Aditya L1, Asia's first space-based solar observatory. India is one of the top 4 military powers, manufacturing its own fighter jets, Tejas, aircraft carriers INS Vikrant, ballistic missiles Agni series, and nuclear submarines. India produces 1.5 million engineers and over 1 million IT professionals every year. It is a rising hub for chip design, AI, cybersecurity, and biotech. India is a 5,000-year-old civilization, the birthplace of major religions like Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism, Zero, Ayurveda, Yoga, and ancient democracy, still thriving in the modern world. Over 500 million Jan Dhan bank accounts have been opened. Aadhaar, mobile, and UPI integration together form the world's largest digital financial network. India hosted the G20 summit in 2023, initiated the India Middle East Europe corridor, and plays a key role in the Quad, BRICS, SCO, and UN missions. India is building 25 kilometers of highway every day, expanding metros in 20 plus cities, and has opened 75 plus airports in the last 8 years. India is the fourth largest solar energy producer, committed to net zero by 2070, and leads the International Solar Alliance of over 100 countries. India administered 2.2 billion COVID vaccine doses domestically and exported vaccines to 100 plus countries under its Vaccine Maitri initiative. India is the world's largest film producer, with its growing influence through OTT platforms, Bollywood, fashion, yoga, cuisine, and literature. India is no longer a developing nation, it is becoming the third largest economy with a powerful blend of democracy, demography, digital power, and diplomacy. So, Mr. Trump, India is not weak, India is not broken, India is unstoppable, the world's next great power. Ignore India today, you will be negotiating with India tomorrow. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So, and if you found our video informative, then do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friend. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, Namaskar.